Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Contentos. The price line of Contentos is about to test a very long-term support, and in today's video we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal from here or we can break down the support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that Contentos was really very bullish, and from September to the first week of December, we were almost 300% up. But after this big rally, the price line dropped, and this drop is really very drastic. First, we bounced by the 25 simple moving average. Then again, we moved down, bounced by the 100 simple moving average, this red line, and the 50 as well, moved up, and finally we broke down all simple moving averages on the daily time frame with a time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, this yellow line. Now, if we switch to the weekly time frame, then here we have a very long-term support, and the price line is moving down, and this red line on this weekly time frame is the 100 weekly simple moving average. And I was expecting that we will not break down this support and we will not test this uptrend line support as well, but the price line has broken down this 100 simple moving average. Therefore, there is a probability now that the price line will test this uptrend line support. We have this uptrend line support approximately at 1 cent. Right now we are at 1.4 cents. And we can see that this is a very long-term support that was found here in March 2020. We have several touch points here. Then again, we have several touch points here from October 2020 to December 2020. Then we had a very big rally. Then we again dropped here at this support in June 2021. And again, we had a very big rally after the month of June. And then again, we are moving down. Right now, we have broken down the 100 simple moving average. But before this uptrend line support, we have a price level support here that is at 1.2 cents. And if it will be broken down, then we can test this trend line support as well. However, it is also possible that we will not break down this support, this price level support, and we will have only a spike that will touch this uptrend line support, and then we will have a reversal move from here. Now, if we take a look at the stochastic on this weekly time frame, this is really very beautifully moving with the price line and synchronized with the price line. And you can see when we touched here at the support of this at this uptrend line support, and the stochastic was oversold. This is the oversold line. Then price line started a short rally, then had a sideways move, and again stochastic entered the oversold zone, and we touched here at the bottom at the support, and we had a very big rally here. The price lines dropped at the support. The stochastic entered the oversold zone. Again, we had a very big rally. Right now, the stochastic is already in the oversold zone, and we are moving down to touch this support once again. However, before that, as I told you, that we have this support at 1.2 cents, and this support level has been breaking as a very strong resistance and support previously in the year of 2020, 2019 and 2020 as well. Therefore, there is a very high probability this time again that the price line will accumulate here above this support like it has been doing previously, and after some accumulation we will have a very big reversal. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.